Hello everyone, I promised you guys a house tour of my parents' home in Arizona, so here it is. I'm standing in the bathroom or toilet, and this is their bathtub slash spa. It overlooks this gorgeous view. You can pull down the blinds if you want more privacy. There are the neighbors on the other side, and that is the back part of the back garden. The pool's on the other side. Here is the shower room. That's what it looks like. And then we can step down here. And then this is my mum's vanity section. I like the big stool because I actually like to have my feet up when I get ready. So I can actually go cross-legged on that. And then tall ceilings, which I absolutely love. Here is the actual toilet room, and there's a picture of Buddha right there. And then this is the main sink area, and this is the first of the two closets. Yeah, the light should come on. Okay. And this is what it looks like. And then this is the other closet. Well, here is the, I like that, reminds me of the museum. Here is the other closet, the one I'm using. And this is the ironing board. Flips down like that. Oh, and I forgot to show you. Inside the vanity, there are places for your jewelry and everything. My parents do rent this out when they're not here, so we keep it pristine. And they're moving here permanently within the year. So I won't have my base anymore in the DMV. So this is where I'm sleeping. This is the outdoor, oh wait, let me just give you a whole view of the bedroom. I love the style out here in Arizona because this is a very much West Coast, like Arizona style. Everywhere here, it's not just the inside of this house, but it's the outside, the general architecture. Everywhere in Arizona has these beautiful earthy tones to match the desert. And they've got two sides balcony. Here is the front of the house. Garage is over on that side. There's plenty of place for parking. Very, very private, which I absolutely love. And then you go to this side. Telly's there. There's a trunk there. And this is the other side, which is the back view. You can see our pool from there. Look at all those big cacti. There's the pool and the spa. And you can see other residents of Desert Mountain there. There are actually wild pigs and bobcats and such animals that roam around here free, which is amazing. We have a gate though to keep them out of our actual property. That's the gate right there. And then look, what a gorgeous day. It was actually thunderstorming and raining this morning. I loved it because I just love sleeping to rain and thunderstorm. So this is their balcony. Coming back inside. I love this area here. It kind of reminds me of my parents' country club back home. I don't know, this area. It kind of reminds me of the bathrooms where there's like a seating area and general hangout area before you actually get into the room, which is really nice. This is my mum's birthstone, and she really loves amethyst. She loves crystals. There's a really big rock store that sells all kinds of crystals nearby, and so she likes to collect those. Other beautiful art pieces, and the double doors, really great. I love double doors, just love them. Love them since I was a kid. Just like the overall. There's another crystal, but you just can't get over the view. I just love seeing that every day. This is, you can see down to that cactus I was showing you last night, and you can see down to the foyer here. Okay, hello, hi. Okay, so this is the study. The blinds are there. And people can sleep here as well. I think that's a pull-out bed, I'm not sure. There's another balcony here. And all the rooms are en suite, so there is a self-contained toilet here. Shower and everything, blah, blah, blah. And here is the wardrobe. We have the pull-out beds and stuff like that when we have extra people stay over. If all the rooms are being filled with family and friends and stuff. Okay. Should we close this? All right. My mum's incorporated a lot of blue recently. I actually really love it. It represents the sky, it resembles the sky, and then with all the reds and oranges, like a typical desert scene. Look at our railing. Okay, so here is the front foyer. It's important to have blinds in Arizona because the sun gets really hot, so you can save a lot just by having blinds and shades so you don't spend a fortune on air conditioning. This piece my mum got from the same rock store. I'll link the store below in case you guys are interested, but everything they have is made from natural elements. Look, you can see the horses. This is so beautiful, and the way it lights up at night. And then this is an actual carcass of the cactus, and it feels like wood or something like that. It's beautiful. I love it so much. It's probably my favorite piece in the house. And here is the door in case you guys haven't seen my vlog last night. Look at the handle. It reminds me of like a medieval door. I love the look. But look at the way it opens. I absolutely love the way it opens. It's so cool. Okay. I'm staying in my parents' bedroom right now, but this is the room I usually stay in when they're here. They want me to stay in the bedroom because my friends are here and they'd rather me take the room instead of anyone else. So this is the bedroom I usually stay in, Nova and I. I love it because it walks out into the pool area over there. So that's why I love this room. And then it has a wraparound toilet. So, hello. One of my best friends, Jay, will be staying here in this room. There's a heat lamp. I know, you're thinking Arizona, why heat lamp? But you know what? Like, it can get cold at night in the desert, and air conditioning and stuff like that. Here's the shower. And you can open that if you like, or if you want more privacy. I kind of like being surrounded by nature when I'm in the bath. And here's the toilet, actual toilet. Gingham, are they called ginkgo? Gingham, gingham's a print that I'm wearing actually. I'm wearing gingham. There's a ginkgo leaves art, and then here's closet area. Lots of storage space in this house, lots of built-in storage, but yeah. And double doors, again, as usual. And here's another spare bedroom that I'll have a friend stay in. And also walks out into the patio, the pool area, which is beautiful. There's a chaise lounge. I always want to say chaise longue, it makes more sense, but people say chaise lounge. Love this mirror. And here is the shower. Showers all look pretty similar. I prefer no doors and just walking in. It's just curved, so the water's contained in that little crevice. It's nice. It's beautiful artwork. I actually wanted to take either this room or the other room, but of course I have to listen to Mumsy. And then here's a little area. No Virgos potty here in the middle of the night. And then we just clean it up so she's contained, because my mum's always so worried that some bobcat's gonna go steal her, or some hawk or something. So you can see all this new artwork that we got here with the blue. Used to be mostly like just the reddish earthy tones, but yeah, she got into the blues, which is nice. This is one of my favorite toilets. Yeah, there we go. So this is all like a copper metallic room. I love it. And I love the circular mirror, and you can see the details, beautiful in the tiling. Okay. Here's just a closet, more pull-out beds, whatever. Okay, you guys saw the door. And this is the foyer, and then that's upstairs where we just were. This is the hallway, this is the bar. We have parties and whatnot. We have a little sink, a fridge. I love this so much. This is jackrabbit. And then this is one of the living rooms. This is basically, I guess, the front room, you can say. Nice fireplace, and then that's the pool area out there. And then we can change the colors of those lights in the ceiling. Got some games. Love that, right? That's the door to the garage. And we've got an extra room here for laundry. What is this? Laundry room. And that's where we keep our stuff. That place is locked just for our family, because, you know, we rent this place and we just keep our own stuff in that place. Our own supplies and whatnot. Another closet, more storage area. Okay, so this is another toilet, and this is just another storage room. So if you come back out here after, look at this, isn't this so Nevada or Arizona? Okay, so we go down the hallway, we just went down in the foyer. Here's the dining area. Every room looks out into the pool on the first floor. And then this is our kitchen, and it wraps around there. There, my stepbrother with my stepdad. There's the kitchen. We have a huge island. Well, islands that actually, you know what? Our island back home was actually larger than this. Our island back in Potomac is actually larger. but this one has a bigger sink. This island is longer than our island back home. So our fridge, all the appliances. We have Wolf Sub-Zero appliances, decor. We have some church chair looking benches, and this house is funny. And here's the main living room. This is where we usually hang out. And that's usually where we eat. And some more beautiful artwork representing Arizona. So I'm going to show you the pool. So this is the view from where I'm standing. Okay. So this is our back garden. Well, I don't know if you can call it that. I don't know what a desert garden is called. So on the left we have our barbecue, and that wraps around to like where the garage is on the side. So we're just gonna go all the way. There's the kitchen sink. And then got table there. Got lots of tables and chairs for like get-togethers, and got a fireplace there. I love that. I'd put lights on there if it was mine. So there's a lot of access points to the pool area. There's literally 3 doors out here. And I have to be so careful because I'm still not used to having all the cactus about. And I learned my lesson the really hard way, that you can never walk barefoot around here. There's some thorns and things like that. And I had a thorn stuck in my foot last time I was here. So I know better now. Got the pool area there. It's an infinity pool. So when it's on, it's overflowing to the other side. It's really pretty. And look at this view. Oh my God. And then we have our spa there. And then the 2 bedrooms walk out to this pool. There's a smaller bedroom and then a larger bedroom. So yeah, that is the downstairs basically. And back to the center of the house. And that's it. Thank you for watching.